This is episode of Cheap Improvised Gear. What I'm going to show you is an alternative to a GI Canteen and GI Canteen cup. So what you see is an old school type, I would say maybe Vietnam era up into the first Iraqi War, Gulf War. Is a 1 quart US GI Canteen cover. Okay, what you have in it is this 1 quart standard canteen cover. Let me open it up for you. Okay. You have a Gatorade, 1 quart Gatorade container, jug, made out of very tough plastic. Cost about $1.29 at my local food market, which is regular price, not on sale. Okay. Inside is a small metal can that coffee came in. Steel, food grade steel. I even have the lid on the bottom. Take that lid off. What you have is a container you can put in the fire. It's all steel. It is not stainless steel. It will rust after a while. However, it is inexpensive. In fact, the coffee itself, let's see here, I have it down, I have the receipt. Coffee itself costs $3.39. Comes in a container like this. It's not the best coffee in the world, but it's ground up coffee, 100% pure. That's 10.3 ounces of coffee in there. Alright. I still have the metal lid that I cut off of here when I opened it. Thinking I might be able to use that for something. And the plastic top that was on top of that. You can actually fill that up with water. And you have an enclosed container. That holds about 36 ounces. It's about 30 ounces to this line here. A little bit more, 32, which would be a quart. And then up here, 36. This holds 32 ounces. Okay. You have improvised water container, 2 of them actually, and a canteen, which is this, and 2, you can put it in an inexpensive canteen cover. This has got the felt lining in it and everything. Has water purification or whatever you want to put in there. Pocket, a little piece of Velcro. I have 10 water tabs in there for 10 quarts of water. That's the interesting thing is that those water tabs are designed for 1 quart of water. Here's what a US GI canteen looks like. The stainless steel cup. Okay. It will also fit in something like this Maxpedition M4 waste pack, which was originally designed for canteens as a canteen replacement, canteen cover replacement. That's, in case you don't recognize it, that's an Nalgene 1 quart canteen, replacing the canteen for the USGI canteen. Okay, table's getting a little busy there. Move some of this back. Alright, so you can also have a couple of pieces of foil, heavy duty aluminum foil. You can use that for a cover when you have this on the fire, just like that, and it's covered. There's plenty of room to remove it. And this is a longer piece that I decided to put in here with it as maybe a windscreen or just extra foil, windbreak around one side of it. When it's on the fire, help it boil faster. Okay, see, this fits in here too. Okay. Gotta let the strap out a little bit. There, see? And that's very similar to what the modern 1 quart canteen pouches look like. From various companies that the U.S. military uses. Okay, there you go. You can have it in that as well. So, the aluminum foil costs about 32 cents. So altogether, between this, the quart container, the coffee container, and the aluminum foil, at my local food market, which is not the cheapest place in the world, it's somewhere between convenience store pricing and supermarket pricing, I spent $5. That is $5 worth of stuff right there. Plus I got the Gatorade and the coffee. At Walmart you can get a stainless steel mug with the butterfly handles for $5 plus tax, so thereabouts. So I don't know, you want to go to Walmart and spend $5, great, that's fine. But if you don't want to spend the $5 on just something and you would rather have material, or maybe you find this material, it will work for a water canteen and a container to boil water in, or whatever you want to use it for. There you have it. So what I have shown you is an alternate means, an alternate idea for carrying water, storing water, and boiling water. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.